Hey there, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you're here today because I'm gonna be sharing to you another budget-friendly recipe. But before anything else, if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please do hit that subscribe button down below. And also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to get updated of my upcoming videos. So today, I'm gonna be sharing with you a healthy and budget-friendly diversion of your usual meatballs. So guys, this is what you call the pearl meatballs recipe. For the ingredients, these are what you need: ground pork, soy sauce, minced garlic, minced red onion, minced ginger, minced spring onions, cornstarch or flour, salt and pepper. And you will also need glutinous rice that's been soaked overnight. So just follow this very easy procedure.